Welcome to OnceHub Tutorials. My name is Barun, and in today's video, we will take a quick look at how to integrate OnceHub with your Integrately account. Now, OnceHub uses Integrately, an integration platform as a service, to automate data flow between your essential applications and OnceHub. So let's get started. To begin, let's head over to the account integration option from the gear icon, then select Integrately. Next, click on the option Set up on Integrately. So this takes you to the Integrately page, and you need to click on Integrate OnceHub in one click. So here we will go ahead and try to set up our integration. So the first step would be to, let's say, we have already have the OnceHub as the starting point. So let's select an application. For the demo, I will select Google Sheet. Then the action or the automation would be to create a Google Sheet row for every new OnceHub booking. So once I click on activate, this is where it will ask me to confirm or connect an account. Now, as I have not connected an account yet, this asks me for the API key. Now, the API key can be accessed. You can click on the Get API key here, and this will take you to the API and webhook section on your OnceHub account. Then this is where it is. You just need to head over to the or you can just head back here to the account integration page, click on APIs and webhook, copy, and once you paste your API key here and click on continue, it connects your OnceHub account securely with the Integrately account. So this sets up all your connection with OnceHub and Integrately. The next flow is pretty simple. You would just need to go ahead and confirm or select which application you want to send data to, and this will help you go ahead and send or automate your data flow. So thank you for watching. See you in the next tutorial.